to you and welcome to my vlog. Oh my god. So guys, today, I don't know, this vlog is going to be late, obviously. So today I filmed the giveaway winner. My god, ang bilis naman ng 2 weeks nung pag-upload ko ng medyo parang feeling ko na ang tagal naman ng 2 weeks, pero ang bilis pala natapos ng 2 weeks. Anong nangyari na naman dito? Biglang traffic, i-video natin, i-post natin sa Cebu Flash Report. Ano bang nangyari dito? Ano? Matiyan ra nga. So yun nga guys. We're back. Medyo na-distract tayo sa traffic doon kanina. So okay lang naman yung traffic doon. Wala namang something serious. May lang. Parang namatay yung niya, car or something. So yun nga, today is the giveaway day. And oh my god, ang sakit ng aking heart kasi gusto ko kayong lahat yung maging winner guys, pero hindi kaya natin. Sana mag-share pa kayo, tapos mag-subscribe pa kayo, tapos mag-watch pa kayo para may marami pa tayong mga upcoming giveaways, diba? Kasi mahirap din na kasi we need budget for that one. So subscribe na kayo, tapos mag-watch na kayo. Para mas maraming grasya, mas maraming maibigay, diba? Diba? Ganyan naman talaga yan. It's just a vice versa thing, cycle. Ayan. So we are fetching the children kasi hopefully last day na nila ngayon. Kumuha lang, nag-clear lang sila ng clearance sa school. Ayan. So after that, if na-pass na lahat nila, and then they will not go tomorrow. Ayan. Today is May 27. I forgot to tell you guys. So ayan. And ano pa ba? Basta yun, I'm gonna see you later kasi medyo uga-uga yung sasakyan. You are shaking. Ayan. So, see you later. Sige, panglipas na mo tayo.
I did not like what I ate.
I did not like what I ate also. Ito yung kinain ko guys. Burger steak.
Pag-ikaw na burger.
Yeah, pepper-likaw na lang ko ka ng
Hindi man good. You don't understand. This is okay.
Ha? Mamang good. Layo, mang good. Pinner kay panood ko.
Do you work here?
Okay, tapos na kami. Uwi na kami. Babalik na lang kami bukas kasi walang doc. Wala si doc eh. Tapos maaga pa, alauna pa. Tapos doon na lang kami bukas na lang kasi hindi na kami nakahabol sa doctor. Ayan, tapos the next doctor will be matagal pa. So, ayan, ang ganda dito. Uy, mahangin, no? Awa. Mahangin ba sa labas, diba? Dalagang Pilipina. Nanay, sudlot ang mata. Uwi na kami, guys. Hi, friends! We're finally home. So, I'm just going to quickly edit kasi para ma-post ko na siya mamayang 6:30 lautan. Look at what that girl is doing behind me. That bababim bababum bababibibibum. Ayan. So, it is 2 na guys. Magto 30 na. I'm so low energy. I need a coffee. Oh, yun pala kasi hindi pa pala ako nag-coffee. Ayun. Nag-coke lang ako. I don't like coke. Ba, failure ka kadira ba? Dapat siya kadira. Ha? So, ayan. Naka-on na yung aking computer. And mabilis lang to i-edit guys. Kasi konti lang naman yung sinabi ko. Diba? So, it's not something na unlike yung mga holes dyan natin na medyo matagal. Hala, umiiyak si Miguel ito. Nagdurusa. Wow, nandoon. Hindi niyo makita si Miguel. Mat nandyan, oh. Nandyan si Miguel ay. Cry. Uy, kalu. Uy, doon ng Miguel. Uy, yung init ngayon, guys. Akala ko, na. Hindi na siya iinit. Mag-uulan na kasi malapit na mag-June. Pero, it's not happening any sooner. Yeah. It's so hot. So, guys, I'm gonna get my coffee. Yun pala yung kailangan ko. And then, tapos mag-edit tayo para, ayun. See you later, okay? Oh, mga friends, ayan, it's already 6, guys. Tingnan nyo, nagre-render pa yung aking video. Tagal ko nag-edit kasi ang tagal ng computer. Pero aabot pa tayo kasi mabilis. Konti na lang yung kulang talaga, mga ilang minutes. I'm gonna show you, ha? Yan, oh. Konti na lang talaga, gamay na lang dun, o inaana na lang. Tapos it's still 6:02. Ayan, so this will be published by 6:30. So abot mabilis lang naman yung internet. So hopefully aabot or not, mga 7 o'clock okay pa naman yun, di ba? So while waiting for that, I'm just going to eat my oatmeal and drink my coffee. Finally! Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, matatapos na. So I'm just going to, before I eat, I'll just watch this para kung may mali or something, and then I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. So guys, while watching the video, just polishing the video, I'm just gonna eat as well para multitasking. Yan is my coffee. So ayan, I don't know where I'm gonna position this. Maybe like that. So kain muna tayo. And while watching, hello friends, good morning, welcome to the vlog today. Last night guys, hindi na ako nakapag-continue ng vlog kasi na busy na ako. I was pagkatapos kong mag-upload ng video, wala na kasi ang tagal kong natapos mag-edit. Ayun. Pero successful naman, na-upload naman natin on time yung video for the giveaway winner. So ayan, congratulations again to the winner. I hope you will like it. Ayun guys. So today is already Tuesday, May 28. And hahatid namin si Baba sa school kasi yun nga, hindi pa natapos. So yung yung gagawin yung clearance niya sa school. And also, I think I'm going to include this vlog to the yesterday and the other day's vlog. I don't know, I'm gonna check. Kasi parang, naputol yung mga vlog ko na yun kasi hindi na ako kasi I was so tired already. So, let's see, I'm gonna check the clips kung paano. So, yun yung, gagawin natin today. And, look at my pendant, guys. This is hindi na makita. Look how cute it is. It is Hello Kitty, diba? Oh, ang cute ni Hello Kitty. Tapos ganyan siya. Ayan. Medyo tabingi. And then, I think you already saw this outfit. I'm wearing the same outfit from, I don't know, kailan na vlog yun. Ewan ko kung merong vlog basta, or sa Instagram post ko yata. Yun, basta. So, Baba is there. Eating. Tapos, we need to go before, 9. Pero malapit na mag-9 kasi yun nga, pupunta pa kami ng doctor's clinic. Hopefully, makahabol kami, guys. I'm just going to look at the yung inedit ko na video kahapon, yung vlog, kasi nakapag-edit din ako. Yeah, 2 video yung inedit natin kahapon, guys. I'm gonna quickly look at it kung okay na ba. Kasi hindi ko pa siya, sinave ko na siya, pero hindi ko pa siya natingnan ulit. So, ayan. So, hopefully, this day will flow like smoothly. Kasi ang sakit ng ulo ko. Late na ako natulog kagabi, mga 1 AM na. So, then I woke up mga 7. So, medyo masakit yung ulo natin pag ganun. So, just gonna check my vlog. Hi guys, look at my shades. Wala, nani din yung itsura nung bigay to ni mother sa galing sa nila reunion. Ayan. Mainit kasi kaya may shades tayo. So we're just waiting for Baba. Ang tagal ni Baba. Grabe. OMG. Alas 12 na. Hello guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Pero kanina pa. Actually. Ayan. Sorry for this haggard face natin kasi gabi na. Oy, it's already 10:30 na pala. Oh my God. Nag-edit pa kasi ako. Nung dumating kami, pinakain ko yung mga Dodge, tapos kumain na kasi kami sa labas, kaya hindi na kami kumain dito, so pinakain ko yung mga Dodge, tapos anong tawag niya, nag-edit ako saglit kasi this week bala kong mag-post ng 3 vlogs, tapos 2 yung parang beauty video related or yung sit down video. Ayan, iwi na yung hair ko, my hair is so iwi na. So, ayan. Diba? Weird. Bakit ko ginagawang ganyan? So, bahala na. Ganyan na lang. So, ayan. Kaya, medyo Tapos, mabilis lang ba yung yung pag-i-edit ko ng vlog? Ewan ko guys. Hindi ko alam kung mabilis yun. Basta yun. Tapos, kumain din ako ng ice cream. Tapos, nagkape ako guys. Kahit gabi na. So, ayan. Yun lang yung ginawa natin. Tapos, 10:30 na bigla. So, also, I cleaned my brushes din pala. So, ayan, I already cleaned my brushes. Konti lang naman yung kasi yung iba hindi ko nagamit last time. Tapos, eto lang talaga yung mga nagamit ko. Ayan. Because, I'm getting this ready because I have another makeup client on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Medyo late na nga yung ko guys pag-wash nito. Pero, since mainit naman, so matutuyo na to bukas ng gabi. So, ayan. So, we're just getting ready for Thursday for our, I don't know if it's a bridal makeup client again. Kasi mag-a-assist lang ako ni Saika na naman. So, ayan. Our brushes are ready. So, guys, that's it for today na kasi 10:30 na pala, and I think tapos na yung rendering ng aking video, and I'm planning to upload and schedule that for tomorrow kasi may lakad pa rin kami tomorrow. Tapos hindi ko alam kung makakauwi kami ng maaga kasi today was unexpected. Akala ko makakauwi kami ng maaga, but we did not. We got home here mga kasi natapos kami doon mga 5 o'clock na, di ba? Ang tagal. So, I'm gonna say good night now, and I hope that you have a wonderful day and a great day, as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Uyasumi!